Okay, there we go. Hey guys, sorry for this very, well, for me it's an early morning rant. It's not even 5 in the morning. I'm titling this video, Help Save Our Channel. And this is why. YouTube today sent me an email and rolled out brand new community standards. It used to be in order for you to get monetization on your videos, you had to have over 10,000 views lifetime on your channel. You could apply for membership into their YouTube partner program. They would review your channel and either approve you or disapprove you. Well, as some of you've seen, I've had ads running on my channel for a little while. That's going to go away on February 20th. Due to no fault of my own, YouTube rolled out new standards. You have to have over 4,000 hours of view time the last year and 1,000 subscribers in order to qualify for their partner program. I've been working hard trying to produce pretty good videos, trying to come up with something quality and not be your usual run-of-the-mill, hey, this is what, this channel's doing, so I'll do it. Hey, this is what that channel's doing, was successful, so I'll do it. I've tried to come up with something unique, something original, and just something that's me. I'm only at 148 subscribers, so any chance of earning any money is gone. I haven't earned a single dime in payout since I've been doing this because I haven't crossed the $100 threshold a month in order to get a payout. Now, at least what I think is classy of YouTube is those of us who are going to lose everything they put in their memo that they sent out will get a payout of what we've earned. So I at least give you that, but when you're busting your butt trying to do some content and it's not getting the views that other channels are getting, like, oh my god, look, I just got this brand new toy from McDonald's and they're getting 5,000 views over a freaking Minion. It's kind of demoralizing and it's kind of a kick in the butt. I honestly believe YouTube rolling this out is direct response to two of their biggest stars massively screwing up. One is that moron PewDiePie, who was using, all kinds of racist terms in his videos. And then when he got caught, he went, oh well. And then you have the Logan Paul incident where he went to Japan's suicide forest, filmed a video of somebody who had committed suicide, and made fun of it. And then when he got caught, it was, oh well. YouTube demonetized some of his videos, removed him from certain things. But he's a megastar in YouTube. I think he's one of their biggest stars next to PewDiePie. They really can't affect them because they're going to lose all kinds of money when they toss them to the curb. But the smaller creators who are busting their butts to do things are now going to suffer because of the actions of larger creators. And I love in their statement where they basically put out that, we need to clamp down on spammers, we need to clamp down on bad actors. Well, like in a Facebook post I put out a little while ago, they rolled out this algorithm a little bit ago. And this algorithm searches for keywords, and if it sees a keyword or hears a key phrase or hears something, it instantly demonetizes your video. My last 4 videos that I've put out have gotten hit with the dreaded yellow $sign. That basically means you're not running ads or very limited ad support because it goes, oh well, it's not family friendly. Now, I just recently put out a video for my first ever Barrel and Blade unboxing. Because of the title Blade, or I should say the word Blade in the title, that video was demonetized. As of today, it's like at 170 views. So that's 170 potential sources of income I just lost. I've been doing knife reviews because in the metadata, there's the words knife and blade, demonetized. Now, you can request a manual review, but you have to have over 1,000 views on the video for them to even take a look at it. So for small creators like myself, you're losing ad revenue, you're losing content, you're losing exposure, you're losing all kinds of stuff. I'm sorry, YouTube, but I don't think this is going to help promote your platform. I think this is going to drive people away from your platform. The 10,000 views lifetime for small creators was very hard to get to. It took me a couple years to get there, and then a couple months after I got there, now I'm losing everything. I mean, I freely admit I got hit with a 30-day suspension a little while ago because I saw something in one of my own videos. I went, hey, I'd like to see more info. I clicked on it, not realizing that, oh, well, it's a bad thing for you to click on a video, and oh, hey, I violated terms of service and I got a 30-day rip. So, yeah, so I'm entitling this Help Save Our Channel. If you're watching this and you're not subscribed, please subscribe. If you are subscribed, please share this video. Ask people to subscribe because, well, I like doing this. But doing these videos, well, it's fun and it's interesting and it's a great hobby. I'm tired of people going, well, let your passion drive your channel and, you know, just shut the F up and sooner or later you'll get there. I honestly, when I started this, never thought I'd hit 100 subscribers. I thought no one really wants to see a fat Irish guy talking about knives or talking about unboxings or talking, you know, my step-parent series that I'm doing. Like I said a little bit ago, I just checked this morning, I'm at 148. So I need over 750 subscribers in the next 30 days in order to keep monetization going. If not, I'm terminated from the program until I get to that level, then I need to reapply. So we need your help here in order to get us where we gotta go. This is also my view on this stupid thing that YouTube is doing, because Logan Paul's an idiot. I'm going to lose potential income. I'm going to lose potential exposure, because I can guarantee you, if I produce a video and it's only getting 50 views, YouTube is not going to give a crap about it. They're not going to show it anywhere. They're not going to promote it. They're not going to show it anywhere else. They're going to remove it for people who have higher view counts, higher subscriber rates, higher whatever. A la Logan Paul and PewDiePie. Guys who are making 6 figures on YouTube, getting massive exposure, getting massive sponsor deals, getting massive affiliate programs, getting massive whatever, and they go out and screw it up for everybody else. But, you know, I'm going to end it like this, guys. I'm frustrated. I feel like I've been kicked in the gut. I don't know where to go from here other than hope and pray that one day I get to 1,000. Because I don't have tremendous disposable income to throw at, you know, multiple unboxings on my channel, multi-high dollar items. Most of the stuff I've rolled out is stuff I've recently picked up, is stuff that is really cost effective. And, you know, it's not like I have unlimited resources to pull a Logan Paul and go to Japan and do something stupid. Yeah, I'm pretty upset at him and I'm pretty pissed at him, but there's nothing I can do. This is out of my hands other than help save our channel. Guys, thanks so much for watching. I'm not going to put up any videos on the side because I guess, well, I'm losing the ability to do that too. So please subscribe, please share, please like, please help get the word out, and let's help flood YouTube with just, this is dumb comments. Thanks so much for watching, guys, and, you know, I'm going to get on with the rest of the day.